Hello everybody to lesson 7 of HTML5 Deep Understanding. Today we have HTML heading, also head tag and HR tag. We will know what are the difference between them and what they are in action. Let's go. Here we have the let's start with the head. This is the HTML normal text or normal code. Here we'll start with the head. This is the head. Okay, so the head stands for the header of the website. So we put here in the head the metadata which describes the website. For example, it contains the styles, contains the scripts, it contains also the language, the charset that we use in that file, and another thing that is will not be print in the browser. So the head contains the data or metadata that will not be print in the browser. Second thing, which is the header. The header we have discussed about it, which is what h1, for example, it's one of the header, and we have h2 and h3, h4 and h6. We'll have change here h2, h3, h4, h5, h6. These are the headers that we have discussed previously, but I need to add another tab. There is something called SEO, search engine optimization, which we will learn about that in another course. So only use the heading for the header or the big title, not for anything to make it bold or to make it large. So, and focus on making this serious. First of all, in the the most top of the page, we start with 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, and go down. Well, when you go down, you should go with the lowest of this header. So this was the header. The last one, which is the HR. The HR, which is the horizontal line, which we have talked about before, which draw a horizontal line for your browser. So these are the difference between them. So the head contains the metadata, h1 and h2, which is the header, contains the header and the titles that we use it, and HR contains the horizontal line. That was for today, and see you in the next lesson. Bye.